Meditation is mainstream now. It's actually quite easy and it's not veiled in esoteric woo-woo. And it has so many scientifically proven health benefits, such as strengthening the immune system, promoting better sleep, reducing anxiety, regulating blood pressure, and improving stress response, that you really need to learn about it. Hello my friend, Edward here with a short conscious engineering info bite. Many people think meditation is very difficult, and you have to empty your mind or sit in a specific pose and concentrate real hard for the mind to become still. You might even have to look constipated like in the movies. But it isn't true. We don't need to create a special state of mind first, adopt a special technique, find bliss, or any such things. We simply need to be present in the moment, and you can do it almost anywhere at any time. So, you're ready to meditate? Great, here's how. Just take 5 minutes and sit somewhere quiet where you won't be interrupted. Sit on a chair with your spine straight and your feet flat on the floor. Keep your eyes open and just observe the room. Allow any judgments that arise to just drift away. Don't worry about the cleaning. It doesn't need you right now. Just observe. After a few moments of relaxed breathing, close your eyes. Notice all the sounds around you. Just listen to them. And if a little voice in your head chimes in again with commentary on it, just ignore it or give it a silly name and tell it to shh. Like, thanks for sharing, Mr. Wiggly. I got this right now. Then just sit there for 5 or more minutes, slowly breathing in and out, just observing any thoughts that come up and let them drift away like clouds on a breeze. Don't attach to them or worry about them. Then open your eyes and go about your day. The function of meditation doesn't actually occur in these moments of silent practice, but in the rest of your life. You'll find you won't get caught up in the drama of the day. Meditation will become a foundation and reveal the underlying baseline of your being, as opposed to sensation and the pursuit of pleasure in your beliefs about yourself. Now, there is a lot more to meditation as you go through it, but this is a great start, and I made a guided meditation version of this practice, which you can use right here. And until next time, my friend, live your light.
Hello there.
Just cha-cha-cha, relaxing anxiety, or give it a sec. Give it a